Are you having a good time? I can't hear you. Okay, awesome. My name is Suvi Haimi, and I'm going to tell you today why all the clothes you will wear in 2027, they will have a QR code which will link all physical products like T-shirts to their digital product passport. These passports, they will give an opportunity for Europe to digitalize various industries, like the textile industry. And for companies, it's going to be a super strong tool to create profitable and sustainable products in the future and fight against textile waste problem. This textile waste problem is very close to my heart because my first company, Sulapak, has been fighting against global plastic waste problem already 9 years. And today, this biomaterial innovation is utilized by various global brands like Chanel, Shiseido, and L'Oreal in various packaging applications. This work continues at Ovido, but from the data and digitalization perspective. Because fast fashion needs to be stopped. Also, unethical labor conditions needs to be eliminated. And that can happen only if all product data from the whole lifespan are going to be in digital format. Because digital product data will allow implementation of AI analytics. And for instance, optimize stocks, meaning then you can reduce textile waste. But let's start looking at the challenge, like how we are able to get all the product data across the value chain digitalized. This looks quite complex, right? Well, global value chains are complex. Data is scattered and poorly integrated. Today, global brands utilize still Excel and email to collect data from their supply chain. This is super laborious and uses huge amount of manual work. Must be changed because all these small data points, they need to be seamlessly integrated throughout the value chain to create product transparency and get the data to digital format and comply to 15 different EU regulations only in the textile industry, including the digital product passport. So automatic data sharing is a must. But how you pull data automatically out of this? This is the reality if you collect the data from the supply chain from the small SMEs. They run with Excel, email, post-it notes. Maybe some of them might have an ERP in place, which is a legacy ERP, so they need to pay a consultant to pull any data out. And 99.8% of companies in Europe are SMEs. So what do? You use Ovido. Because we can use all these different scattered data files, for instance, the images, the supply chain list, suppliers, all the components, and just drag and drop them here. And then our AI ingests all the relevant data and creates the foundation of the digital product database, and everything is in one place. And what about then collecting the data from the supply chain, from the SMEs? That is crucial, right? So this is what the small SME sees. Basically, they are talking with our AI agent, which guides them step by step to put the data in the right format with their own language. And no, you don't need to even sign into our platform. It's just talking with the AI agent. So this helps essentially also the global brands to get high quality data, and then Ovido just links the data collected from the supply chain to their existing ERP and PLM systems. So when the data is finally at Ovido, it's very easy to see the full product recipe, different components, different suppliers, and it's easy to visualize the data in different ways. Like here, look at the whole product journey from the raw materials then making the fabric, sewing, and then finally the final product. With the product data in digital format, you can easily create all kinds of automated reports, like these digital product passports, just with few clicks. So in essence, Ovido simplifies product data management. And then we plug in the AI analytics to give recommendations for companies to make the more sustainable and profitable products. So we have this huge vision to revolutionize how products in the textile sector are designed, manufactured, and sold. In order to do this, we think it's crucial to have the learnings, the best practices from different sectors. For instance, we believe that fashion and textile industry could greatly learn from gaming companies. Anybody guesses why? What could you learn? Tuomas. Thank you. Exactly. Gaming companies, they are experts optimizing the lifetime and true value of each player. They are just not interested in the initial download. They are obsessed what happens afterwards, the engagement, what the player buys in apps, churn, retention. And they look also beyond spending money, loyalty, word of mouth, and all this insight they gather to design better games, and they know really, really fast whether a new game is a hit or not. So this is not just €219 jacket sale. This is the install app moment of this jacket. And our customers like Makia today have no clue about the usage patterns, like how many times it's utilized, what is the resale value, is it repaired, what happens after sale. And these all are crucial elements to really optimize the lifetime value of the product and true value of the customer. So this digital product passport will really help to optimize the lifetime value and true value of the products. And not only optimize it, but they help to extend it, creating true measurable impact for sustainability and brand equity. So the brand, what does it get? All this info, what happens after the sale. They get even washing cycles, number of users, what is the resale value, what breaks worst, and all this downstream data can be utilized to design new products, make better materials, and really understand customer needs. So, what you can do essentially then with Ovido, what the brands can do. They can ask whatever questions. They can really create very easily with few clicks the next season with better margins, with more sustainable raw materials. So, in essence, create products that the customers love. We have started from the textile sector serving the big global brands like North Sales and obviously the SME sector. But this is just the beginning of our journey because our platform can be utilized by various sectors, for instance, including chemicals and then cosmetics, because we really want to empower all the companies to make better choices, winning products in the market through digitalized product transparency. Thank you. Have a great day.